Design a data integration solution with Azure Data Factory. Cloud-based service. Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service. Workflow automation. It helps create and schedule data-driven workflows. Data orchestration facilitates data movement and transformation at scale. ETL process supports extract, transform, and load (ETL) operations. Data integration combines data from multiple sources into a single store. Things to know about Azure Data Factory. Connect and collect, ingest data from various sources into a centralized location. Transform and enrich, use compute services like Azure Databricks and HD Insight Hadoop to process and enhance data. CI, CD and publish, implement continuous integration and delivery with GitHub and Azure pipelines before publishing data. Monitor, track scheduled activities and detect failures using the Azure portal. Components of Azure Data Factory. Pipelines and activities. Pipelines group activities that perform tasks. Activities can involve data movement, transformation, or control operations. Datasets represent data structures within data stores that pipelines work with. Link services define connection details for Azure Data Factory to connect with external resources. Data flows enable data engineers to create transformation logic without coding, leveraging Azure Data Factory's scheduling and monitoring capabilities. Integration runtimes serve as a bridge between activities and linked services, with three types: Azure, self-hosted, and Azure SIS. Real-life example: Azure Data Factory in e-commerce. Scenario: Baiza, a retailer enhancing customer experience. A large online retailer, Baiza, wants to enhance customer experience by offering personalized recommendations and improving inventory management. They collect data from multiple sources, including customer transactions, SQL databases, browsing behavior, NoSQL databases like Cosmos DB, product inventory, ERP systems, social media trends, API and unstructured data. Azure Data Factory in e-commerce. Challenges. The company deals with massive amounts of data from different sources. Real-time recommendations are required for better customer engagement. Inventory needs to be updated dynamically based on demand forecasting. Solution using Azure Data Factory. 1. Data ingestion. Linked services connect to multiple data sources, SQL, NoSQL, ERP, APIs. Pipelines fetch and consolidate data into a central Azure data lake. 2. Data transformation. Azure Databricks cleans and processes raw data for better insights. Stored procedures in Azure SIS help in transforming sales and inventory data. 3. Real-time analytics and AMP, AI integration. Processed data is sent to Azure Machine Learning, which predicts customer preferences. Power BI dashboards provide real-time insights to decision makers. 4. Outcome and AMP, business benefits. Personalized product recommendations increase sales and customer satisfaction. Dynamic inventory updates prevent stockouts and overstocking. Faster decision-making with real-time analytics enhances business operations. This real-world example shows how Azure Data Factory enables seamless data integration, transformation, and analytics to drive business success. Things to consider when using Azure Data Factory. Data integration requirements. Supports both big data and relational data warehousing, SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS. Enables cloud-based pipelines for accessing both cloud and on-premises data. Coding resources. Provides a low-code, no-code environment for data integration. Features a graphical interface for easier pipeline setup and monitoring. Support for multiple data sources. Offers 90+ connectors to integrate data from diverse sources, cloud, on-premises, databases, API. Serverless infrastructure. Fully managed and scalable, eliminating the need for server maintenance. Adapts to fluctuating workloads, ensuring cost efficiency and performance.